Hi students! Did you had your break time? Very good. Now let's start with our next lesson. Our next lesson for today will be science. The objectives of today's lesson is to recognize the transports and group them accordingly and also to name the transports. Now let's take out your science book textbook and turn to page number 17. Today we are going to do page number 17 to 19. Don't forget to grab your pencil and eraser with you. Page 17. Write today's date, Tuesday, and the date 7 September 2021. The title for today will be vehicles. So now let's start with vehicles that move on land. So we have already learned about vehicles on our English lesson. So today we are going to learn about vehicles again in our science lesson. So the first one will be vehicles that move on land. Car. So we can see car moves on land. Van. Van. Bicycle. Bicycle. Train. Train. Lorry. Lorry. And also bus. Bus. So there are many other vehicles that can move on land. So now let's see what is the bird is asking that. What are the vehicles that move on land? Yes. So what are the vehicles you can name that move on land? Very good. So teacher have one answer here for you. Motorcycle. Yes, motorcycle also move on land. So you may have any other answer that shows vehicles that move on land. So you can write on the space given there. Now let's turn to page number 18. Vehicles that move on water. So just now we saw vehicles that move on land. And now we have vehicles that move on water. The first one, boat. Boat. Motorboat. Motorboat. So we can see that boat is a bit slower than motorboat. Motorboat is very speed. And the next one, ferry. Ferry. Ship. Ship. And the last one will be yacht. Yacht. Very good. Now let's see the down one. Circle the vehicle that moves on water. So here we have three pictures. Now we have to circle the vehicle that moves on water. The first one will be ferry. The second picture is an ambulance. And the last one is an fire engine. So which vehicle among these three moves on water? Yes, a ferry moves on water. So now let's take your pencil and circle ferry. Very good students. Now let's turn to page number 19. Very good. Vehicles that moves in the air. So let's see. There are three pictures there. Let's see the vehicles that moves in the air. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Helicopter. Helicopter. And the last one, hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Very good. So, let's see the down part 1 students. Cross out the vehicle that does not belong in each row. So, we have 3 rows of transports there. So, we have to cross out the vehicle that does not belong to the row. Okay, now let's see the first one. We have helicopter, bus, aeroplane. So, which vehicle here does not belong to the group? Yes, the bus. So now let's cross out the bus. The bus does not belong to the group, does not belong to the row because helicopter and aeroplane moves on air. But the bus moves on the land. So can you do the next 2 rows by yourself, students? Very good, students. So that's all for today's science lesson, students. Teacher hope that you have learned a lot of things about transport today. Very good job, students. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.